Hello again. Today we changed springs in the worst way possible. Oh fuck. And now you could ask, but oh my god, why are you changing your springs and your car looks so nice and low and... First of all, it's my car, and second of all, it scrapes the fuck out of its bottom. Oh, and I also broke my exhaust like 3 times with the old springs, so yeah, they needed to change. And the worst part about the old springs is that they were the original ones, you know, the ones that came from the factory, and someone had the bright idea of cutting it. So this beautiful idea caused the car to handle like a fucking boat and not like a fine automobile. So as soon as I had some spare money, I instantly ordered a set of proper lowering springs. And when I was on the site ordering, a little tiny tool was looking my way, and I completely ignored it. So 2 weeks later, the springs arrived. So I've got the package. Oh fuck. This looks nice. I will need this if I want to register the car with these springs, but who cares about that? Then I washed the car and started working on the rear suspension because it looked much easier. And while I started painting the wheels, my friend Rolly arrived. Elő lesz mondjuk vicces az egész szituáció, ott fingom sincs, hogy van összerakva a felfüggesztés. Hátul sokkal egyszerűbb, megnézed, a rugó az külön van ezélve, külön van kivéve, külön van az egész izé. A lengés csillapítót kell majd szerintem kézéljem, kiveszem a csavart, lenyomom a lengőkat, azt szerintem ki kell jön a rugó, meglátom. And yes, I was a bit too optimistic. So the spring will not come out. Ez volt megírva a nagy könyvben. Na, stance car. No. So now we got the springs out. And now you would think that my easy plug and play straight for Ford Sierra springs will just go into the car.
No.
And we're going to buy some spring compressors because this is not going to fit. Let's go. The local car parts store had no spring compressors, so we came up with a very neat idea. We bought some threaded rods and nuts, and we tried making our own spring compressor. Neked véletlenül van rugószorító? Ismersz valakit, akinek van, és így gyorsan oda tudja adni? Ezt a nyomás bennem bazd meg. This thing was more like building a bomb than actually fixing a car. And then we gave up and realized that we had a fucking bomb to defuse because I left it near the car. Someone would see it and just like, I don't know, the spring would break someone's fucking leg, so we had to defuse it.
No!
Aha.
Kijött?
Yes, sir.
Teljesen?
Azt hiszem, igen.
Biztos?
Oh.
Geci.
And after this much stress, we were like, okay, fuck it, let's make some food. And when I wasn't in the kitchen, Rolly just took my camera and started filming absolute bullshit. And then my uncle gave me his spring compressor, and I was very, very happy about it. Thank you once again. At this point, like, it was like 7 o'clock. I was fucking frustrated. My camera was died. The battery died. And I was like, fuck it, I'm not recording shit about that night anymore. So I quickly explained what we did. So we took the spring compressor, compressed the spring, got some very thick wire, wired it all up, and then just put it back in the control arm. Then lifted the control arm up and cut the spring. Not the spring, the wire. And yeah, the spring was in. So, day 2. Now I was alone. So yesterday we changed the springs. There you can see shit. Wait.
But the spring is red now. And they are the new ones.
So yeah, I will try to change the front ones now, but I'm alone. So yeah, it will be interesting. So once again, I removed the wheels and jacked up the car. And now it was time for the strut to come out. So now, as you can see, the car is like 10 times stiffer, at least. And once again, I want to say thank you to everybody that helped me with this bullshit project, and for everyone wasting their time on me. Thank you very much, especially for you, Rolly. Love you. Oh yeah, and see you next time when I try to paint my car, at least just a part of it alone. So see you in the next video. Oh fuck. Bye bye.